Smart investors, we use it to grow the business, grow faster, grow bigger. When you get the capital from your private lenders, they want to see your growth. They want to be a part of your growth. Okay. So using the money to grow is what they expect. All right. So do that. All right. So the biggest thing for us is that the capital helps us to grab those opportunities. It helps us seize the opportunities when they come. Okay. And if you use it and you have the private capital ready and willing to come to you, then when the opportunities come up, you can grab them. All right. So this is the biggest thing for this one here is that we want to think about growing, not saving. Yes, you want to have your cash capital set aside for a rainy day, operating expenses, right? But it's not saved. It's growing. It should be invested. It should be somewhere that's earning interest or being lent out or somewhere that it's growing. We're not just saving just to save, okay? All right, and so for real estate, the biggest thing is grabbing those opportunities and speed and convenience, okay? So we will jump into the strategies for using capital wisely. This is where just write this down, because when we go and get our private capital, which is what we're going to jump into next, is where to find this and how to use it and how to secure it. You want to have the strategies to use it. So make capital choices a long-term decision. You want to make great relationships, make good decisions. If you have an opportunity for a lender, be completely honest, and we'll get into this in a minute, but you're looking long-term. It's not just get one deal from each lender, okay? Saving is good, but investing is better. Using capital to grow capital, okay? Using that wisely helps you grow bigger. The capital that you were able to find, if you think of it as water for your business, remember we talked about growing it. If you think of it as water for the business, it'll help you grow your business. And as you keep feeding it wisely, it'll keep growing wisely. Okay.
Hey guys, real quick, it's Andrew, and thanks for listening. I just want to give you a couple of tips. Go over to dealfindersclub.com/resources to get more information on the things that we're talking about today, some downloads and some links to some of our partners that can help you do your business better. And if you want to get connected and join us at some of our live events, check out the events page right there on dealfindersclub.com. And if you're ready to build, reach out through a message or chat with us through the website. You can find us there. And hey, as always, like, share, and subscribe. We'll talk to you soon.
Growth comes faster, of course, with more investment. But the biggest thing for us and for you guys to remember, I forgot to bring the book, but some of our deal partners in here know this book, is The Profit First for Real Estate Investors. It's the same with your capital. You've got to be thinking profit first, which means if you're borrowing capital but doing deals that aren't profitable, like you're paying your lender too much, or you bought the deal bad and you're just buying it because you have capital available, you're not going to last long. That is not a long-term strategy. When you borrow the funds, when you work with lenders, you have a capital partner, a profit has to be built into the equation or you will not survive. Okay. So it's not just doing deals because you have capital. It's doing more good deals because you have capital. Does that make sense? I hope that trying to get you guys to remember that just because we can get the capital doesn't mean we should. Okay. All right. So we are going to, just a couple more pieces on this. That's definitely a safety net. The capital in your business. So when you are saving your own capital and investing your own capital, you have that as a safety net. You have your own funds there invested somewhere so that you have opportunity, right? If the market was super slow the last, maybe 6 months, 4 to 6 months, it was really slow. If you're in this business and you're in a transaction business, having your own capital there as a safety net is super wise. It's a good idea. All right. So the biggest takeaway and why we use private capital, and probably the reason why y'all are here, right? I know I'm kind of preaching to the choir, but I want to make sure we have a good, solid foundation on what capital is and what we're doing with it, is that it's faster and easier than banks. Does everyone agree with that? Yeah. It's like having a direct line to your source of growth. It's like having the water hose pipe right into your plant, your business plan. Okay? That is what private capital is for you.